me. All right. Okay, you guys. So there will not be any more work added to the course. What you are seeing on Canvas is all there is. It's pretty straightforward. Each week there's 4 weeks, and that just consists of a topic, watching a video, taking that little quiz, which is essentially a review, and then posting to the discussion. You are earning participation points, so do your best. Okay, and literally just participate week to week. But I'm hoping that you're going to find the videos and the topics really interesting and give you some ideas on how you can integrate some of that stuff into your own artwork. Now on week 2, there is one sketch, a preliminary sketch. Just draw something of anything that you're interested in checking out. That's worth 20 points. There is only now one art project due for the quarter. That's worth 50 points. You can do anything that you want. I've had a couple of students already satisfy that requirement in the course. One student just did a series of drawings exploring subject matter. Done. Another student had already done their post-it notes for drawing. I've got one student that completed their word art little sculpture in ceramics. So the most important thing is that, one, you get into the discipline of going on Canvas and understanding its structure. Their modules, you just go from top to bottom. Now, it's pretty well explained. Don't worry about the art project, though. I've mentioned the art project a couple of times because I wanted you guys to start thinking about things through the process, but there really is only one art project. This is the other thing, okay? There will be no new work added to the courses. So you have all of May to catch up in any of your classes. 2, the grading scale for this quarter is different than the grading scale in the past in your classes. You need to have 50% of the work completed to earn credit. Okay, and we're here to help you. We're here to be flexible and to get you through this quarter. It is not normal. This is not normal. This is an unprecedented situation that we're in. Unprecedented in terms of our modern lives, but not unprecedented in terms of what humans are capable of overcoming. We've been through a lot worse than this, okay? We're very tenacious and we're very strong and we're problem solvers. That's our biggest strength, is to problem solve and to come out on top, but not just to come out top repeating the same mistakes of the past, but to come out on top doing things better and a different way so that we can guarantee the welfare of all living things moving forward. All right, you guys, I miss you, love you. Feel free to email if you have any real concerns or just to say hi. I will continue the Thursday chats. So if you're interested in getting together with us on Thursday, put that in on your schedule. I know you guys are busy. Talk to you later.